Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 is not closing properly, you might be facing a common issue that can stem from a faulty closure system. This may be due to worn components or misalignments, which if left unchecked, could lead to more significant problems like overheating or even damage to the device. Addressing the issue promptly will save you both time and money in the long run. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement closure mechanism, and a soft cloth to keep your work area clean. First, ensure your Thermomix TM5 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Gently turn the device upside down and locate the screws securing the base panel. Using the appropriate screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base panel to reveal the internal components. Look for the closure mechanism, it's usually situated near the lid hinge. Inspect it for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice that it is broken or misaligned, it's time to remove it. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to the mechanism, making sure to remember their placement for reassembly. When you have safely removed the old mechanism, take the new one and install it in the same position. Reconnect the wires securely, ensuring that they are not pinched or damaged during the process. Be mindful of the surrounding components while working, as they can be delicate. Once everything is in place, replace the base panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Firmly but gently tighten the screws, making sure not to over-tighten as this could damage the device. Now, before you plug the Thermomix back in, give it a once-over to ensure everything is in its right place, and nothing is loose. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the closure mechanism for signs of wear and ensure that you are not overloading your Thermomix when using it. Keeping your device clean and well-maintained will also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.